In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-record Close CRM calls. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Close and how to switch on automatic call recording so every future call you make through Close is captured without you lifting a finger. Before we begin, a quick note on compliance. Call recording is subject to local laws and company policies, and some regions require notifying all participants or obtaining consent. Make sure you follow your organization's guidelines and any applicable regulations. Alright, let's set it up. Once you're signed into Close, head straight to the inbox. This is the central place where you manage tasks and communication, and it's also where the call controls are easy to access. With the inbox open, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the call icon there. Think of it as your shortcut into Close's calling controls. Click that call icon to open the calling menu. A small drop-down will appear with options related to your phone settings and preferences. In that menu, look for the setting labeled Auto Record Calls. This is the switch that tells Close to start recording calls automatically for you. Turn that toggle on. When it's enabled, Close will automatically record your future calls placed or received through the Close dialer. It won't retroactively record past calls, and it only applies to calls made within Close, not calls placed from an external phone app. When you're on a call, you'll typically see a recording indicator so you know it's active, and once the call wraps up, the recording will be attached to the relevant lead and appear in your activity timeline, following your organization's storage and access settings. If at any time you need to pause automatic recording, you can return to the same calling menu via the call icon and toggle auto record calls off. It's the exact same path, just flipped the other way. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the call icon or the auto record option, it may be related to your plan, user permissions, or calling being disabled in your account. In that case, check with your administrator or confirm that Close calling is enabled for your workspace. Also, using a supported browser with a working microphone and the right audio device selected will help ensure smooth recordings. That's it. Go to Inbox, open the call icon menu, and turn on auto record of calls. With that done, your Close dialer will take care of the rest, and you'll have reliable recordings ready for review, coaching, and compliance whenever you need them.